Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to repair an older TV like this. This is an older rear projection television that doesn't really put out a good picture. It's more of a yellowish looking picture. Typically a lot of that is caused by having either dirty lenses inside the TV or a dirty back mirror. And how the screen comes off on this thing, it varies a little bit. This one here comes off with screws, and another one we have the screen that flips down. But we'll show you how to get majority of these things open and how to fix them. I've already started taking some of the screws out, but just watch as I do it. Now we're going to remove the screen. We got one more screw left, hold it in place. Get some time to keep the screen in place, don't want to damage the screen. Last screw. It's now loose. Put your screwdriver down. Now just gently pull the screen out of place. Don't want to damage it. Now set your screen over to the side. Wish I was a mom walking by.
I walk between.
Okay. Anyway, very simple configuration. How a TV like this works. You have 3 lenses for 3 colors, and you have a mirror. What this does, these 3 lenses here project against this mirror, and it reflects and hits the screen, and you see your picture. Very simple how it works. In which these lenses do have a bit of dust on them. Which normally I would recommend using a cleaner from like a camera store for cleaning lenses. But all I have available is this and some good glass cleaner. We just have to work with what we got and see what we get. Like I said, we got it for free, so we don't know if it's going to work or not, but it's worth trying. Which these lenses actually were quite dirty, as I can see a big difference right now as I'm wiping them. Not sure if this camera can pick up really good enough to see, but look at the right lens I just wiped. Look at the one next to it. Kind of see a little bit of a difference. Try this. Get some more light in there. Did make a bit of a difference wiping this one. You look at these other 2. These things were quite dirty. As you see now, I've cleaned the right lens and the center lens. Yeah, still got to do the left one. Kind of see there's a little bit of a difference. I mean, the camera looks like a little difference, but the naked eye, you can really see a big difference. That one there is really dirty.
Now I've went over all three lenses to make sure they're all clean. Make sure there's no hairs or anything on them, or any kind of specks of dust, because that can mess up a picture. Now those are clean. The mirror looks okay. So I'll probably just leave it as is. But the lens, we should, after cleaning these lenses, we should see a pretty good difference.
Now I know we had cleaned the lenses on the television. Now we'll go ahead and put the screen back in place. Snap in, which is the snap in place. Let's line it up with the little snaps on the snaps right here on the front of the screen. Just line the cover up and just snap it into place. Now we had the front, now I had pretty much had the TV assembled. Now we'll hook it up to a computer and test the image quality.
Which unfortunately, the clean didn't fix 100% of the problem, but it did give the TV a better sharpness. But the main problem, after doing some online research, is that two of the CRT tubes in there that project the light onto that mirror, two of them, the coolant in them has clouded up, causing them to dim out and cause the red tube to shine more, causing the screen to have more of an orange looking effect, which I'll show you here in just a sec. Notice how the picture looks more orange, kind of at the edge a little bit, and kind of orange there. The reason why is that you have, of course, you have three tubes inside of it that project light onto the mirror, and two of them, the coolant is known over time to get clouded up, and they have to have the coolant changed in them. In which the red tube doesn't have to have the coolant changed because the coolant will never cloud up. So when your other two projection tubes have the coolant clouded up like this, you'll see this orange effect. And what that means is that you'll have to, here's an example right here how the screen looks. This is a typical set after the fluid change. And what you have to order is a kit that you use to drain the old coolant out of two of the tubes and change the coolant. It comes with two 16-ounce bottles to replace the blue and the green CRTs. Those are the two ones that need to be had the coolant changed. It comes with a drain pump and instruction manual. It's a bit pricey, but we're going to try it. It costs $64.95 plus almost $10 extra for shipping. That's going to be almost $75 investing in this thing. In which I'll have a separate video of me. I'll try to have a separate video of me changing the coolant in this thing pretty soon once I get the kit and everything. We'll see how it turns out.